Okay, we are live again.
And again. No, this is August 7.
7.
Ah.
Today is August 7, a Thursday.
And we're very happy to see all of you dito sa... Ay, mali. Error, game. I think that's not my line.
Andito na naman tayo. Of course, kasama natin si Doc D.
At si Attorney E.
Dito sa
Usapang
Usapang Ed.
Ayun.
Parang hindi na tayo natuto.
Ay, hindi na tayo
Diba,
sanay.
baka after 100 episodes, gagaling na tayo. Parang na-miss ko tong parang ang tagal nating
Hindi naman. Last
hindi
Monday,
nag-live
August
dito.
4, we were here with Dr. Jenny Hoxon, no? Executive Director of the Teacher Education Council. And we had a very good discussion with her about all of the programs of the TEC.
Yes.
Kasi nakita natin with EDCOM 2, naging very aggressive ang different education agencies na tugunan ang pangangailangan ng ating mga guro.
And yung batas na nag-create ng new Teacher Education Council, nung naipasa yan, halos kasabay nung EDCOM 2 Diba? Nauna lang ng konti. So when it was convened, I think nauna pa na-convene yung EDCOM 2. So maraming trabaho para sa kanila, no? Very interesting discussion with
Pero yung discussion natin
Doc
ngayong
Jenny.
gabi, very exciting din. Ako personally, ako dito. Interested talaga ako.
Ako rin.
Dahil aside from, syempre dati naman akong science teacher for the longest time, pero yung guest kasi natin really has been very, very, we should be very proud of the
Yes,
accomplishments of this institution. Dahil hindi lang sa Pilipinas, ang mga kompetisyon na nananalo ang eskwelahan na to, kundi in the world.
Internationally,
No?
yes.
Yeah.
So ngayong gabi, ang usapan natin ay usapang robotics.
Wow.
So introduce na natin ang ating special guest. Our guest tonight is the visionary president of Dr. Yangas College Incorporated in Bulacan. Under his leadership, the college has earned multiple accolades in the field of robotics, including 80 national and international...
Ilan?
80. 80 national and international robotics Olympiad titles. And 3 World Robot Olympiad Championships. Ganun kadami. So, without further ado, of course, tawagin na natin ang ating guest for tonight, si Sir Michael Kel Yanga. Good evening, Kel.
Attorney, good evening po.
Excited kami.
Thank you for
to
having
listen to what your school has been doing
Salamat po.
in the area of robotics.
Yes po.
Bago
Mabati
pa
ka
ba
muna.
nauso ang robotics? Ginagawa niyo na ito?
Around 2007 po. And the reason for having robotics was not because we want robotics. It was for a different reason po. Na, alam niyo po, noong 2001, just to give a short background about our school, we were about to close. So parang ang school po namin tawag nga po School of Last Resort. So para talagang kung saan mga...
Kayo ba yun?
Opo, kami po yun.
Parang may alam ako gano'n. Hindi kayo.
Parang marami ka.
Private school na last resort. Doon muna sa ibang schools bago kami. Tapos po, I was tasked kasi, not because I'm good, kaya lang ako na po yung last ng generation. So, I was
So you own the school?
ng lolo ko po. Opo. Tapos, second generation po mga parents, father ko po, tsaka mga kapatid niya. Doon sa third generation po. Ako na po yung youngest kahit saan. So, wala na po choice, hindi dahil magaling or what. So, I was placed in that predicament. And the reason lang po kaya kami napunta sa robotics, alam niyo po value formation. Layo po, no?
Oo.
Kasi po, nung panahon na yung panay, nagka-cutting classes po yung mga bata, lalo yung mga lalaki. So, I was thinking, ano po kaya yung pwedeng to make them stay put in the school? To make our 7 hours stay in the school really worthwhile for them. So I was just watching Saksi, Channel 7, si Arnold Clavio pa po nun, 5:30 in the afternoon. I saw this school from Batangas, Faith. Yung Faith
First
School.
Asia.
Opo,
Oh.
hanggang ngayon thankful ako sa kanila eh. Nung nakita ko po sila na nag-champion sa Taiwan o Japan, robotics din po.
Oh.
Nung nakita ko po sila, kaya ng mga nagkakating na estudyante namin yan. Kasi kung magagaling sila mag-Counter-Strike, yung uso nun,
that time.
tingin ko kaya namin yon. So, that was the background. So,
Pero teka muna, yung robotics na yan, basic ed.
Yes
Hindi
po,
siya
basic ed po.
college course.
Hindi po.
A separate subject ba yan
K
or
to 12.
integrated?
K to 12. No?
Ginawa po namin nun, inelective po namin.
Elective
Ano,
siya.
at what level?
First year pa po tawag nun eh. First year high school to fourth year high school po.
Oo. So, naka-integrate siya sa subjects or naka-separate?
Nagdagdag po kami ng 1 hour po.
Nagdagdag.
Talagang
Tapos
dalawa.
elective siya.
Opo. Kaya para po hindi naman, kasi delikado rin po kasi trial pa lang po. Baka mamaya, we're not as expert as we can be dun sa subject.
But currently, hindi na siya elective.
Ngayon po ay part po siya ng TLE po namin.
TLE.
So, we share yung in-innovate po namin. We ask the permission din po ng Department of Education na maging part po siya nun. So, sa 2 hours, 3 hours parang hati po. May 1 hour po kami for robotics. At ang robotics po namin ngayon, mula preschool na po hanggang
So,
senior
K,
high.
or even
Opo.
earlier than kindergarten?
Kindergarten po.
Kindergarten.
To grade 12 na po. Dati po kasi grade 7 to 10 lang.
Pero walang TLE ang kindergarten.
Pero yun po, dagdag na ho namin yung oras talaga.
Anong subject ang natanggal? Hindi
Wala
ba?
po.
Wala.
Wala po kami.
Nag-additional.
And the parents are very supportive about it naman.
That's good. Very good
Apo.
to hear. Oh, siguro yung ano ko lang, when you say nag-innovate kayo, wala ito sa curriculum ng TLE
Wala
na
po.
required ng DepEd.
Wala po. Especially during that time po. Wala po
But
talaga.
at this time, do they have robotics?
If the school can po, ma'am, parang there's an if. Parang hindi po lahat po, kahit private schools po, hindi po talaga eh.
Anong kailangan ba? So halimbawa sa inyo,
Yes, po.
sa region 3 kayo. no?
Yes po.
Meron ba kayong mga ibang schools na katulad nyo na nag-offer din ng robotics?
Sa Bulacan po.
Sa Bulacan.
May nagtatry po, pero hindi pa po talaga sila as serious as us. Meron po sa Pampanga. Ayan po. Talaga pong meron dyan. Nakakalaban din po namin sa mga competitions. Pero po sa Bulacan, mas aggressive pa po yung, I'm proud to say po, may mga public schools na pong talagang,
Very nice.
kasi
Oh,
po
so
yung superintendent po namin is na-prioritize po ngayon ng robotics. Ang nakakatawa lang.
Can you explain
can you,
further? Ano bang
describe the
laman?
program?
Robot. Baka
Describe the
naglalaro
program.
sila ng robot. Gano'n.
Opo.
Kasi kinder, di ba?
Nag-robot-robotan ba sila?
Ganun sila. Oh.
The first thing po kasi is, there are so many aspects of robotics po. No? So meron pong builder, yun siguro nasa isip ko. Parang tayo nagle-Lego. Kinakabit-kabit
Yeah,
po. So, i-group po namin yung mga students. In one group, meron pong builders. Siguro 2, 3. Then, meron din pong encoders, the programmers. So, that's another 2 students. And then, the researcher. Kasi kung minsan po, challenge po namin sila to think of something that will be for the benefit of the society. Na kunwari, parang imagine ka lang, gumagawa ka na laruan, papagalawin mo. Kunwari po, parang sweeper, mga ganyan po. Mga ganun po. So,
Nagawa sila.
ang isang set po ng isang robotics unit can have at least 5 to 6 people in one robotic group. Ganun po. So kailangan mo siguro in 40s to mga 5, 6, 7 units po. Opo.
Units.
Opo.
Pero for each of the groups, you have the builders, the
Apo. Programmer,
encoders,
encoder.
and the researchers.
Yes po.
For each group.
Opo. Pwede pa rin
Saan
po.
galing ang disenyong yan? Is that something original to your school?
Nakita po
kasama
namin
sa
sa competition, sir. Ma'am. Kasi
Pero
sa
yung mga
competition.
mismong resources, yung materials, like, sabi mo, yung mga building resources, parang Lego, something, no? You can imagine. Saan nyo nakukuha yon?
Sa Lego Robotics po. Nung
Lego.
una po, doon po kami nagsimula. Masyado lang po akong daring, sir, na imagine nyo, we started with only 2. Pero napaikot po namin sa 40 sections nung time na yon.
Ay, yung 2 units
Opo. Tapos may
Sana
kasama
may
po yun
sample
na
tayo,
laptop. Sayang nga po. May kasama laptop. Tapos po, sabi ko, di gawin na lang natin ganito. First lesson nila, research. Mag-isip sa'yo, anong gagawin ninyo. Tapos, sino yung group ngayon na magbi-build? Yung ganun po. At least lahat po makaranas. Alam niyo po, sinasabi sa akin ng mga teachers, naku, baka ibagsak yan ng mga bata. Alam niyo po, natapos yung buong school year. Wala pong nasira.
Wow.
Kasi na-value po ng mga bata, na-binalue rin sila.
Yeah.
Having robotics for a school of last resort, so to speak. Parang sabi nila, pinapahalagahan kami ng admin.
Is this something that the students actually told you?
Na ano po,
Na naramdaman nila, na vina-value sila?
Hindi naman po na-verbalize, pero po, you can see po the change of attitude po na parang, hindi naman po mayabang, pero mas confident na sila ngayon na, oy, kami may robotics kami. Yung parang, nararamdaman nyo na po yung change of confidence din po and siguro self-belief din po sa mga sarili.
And kaya pinapahalagahan nila yon.
Opo
Baka masira
But
Wala
in the
na.
entire institution, di ba accredited ka na, certified ka na?
Sa
Yeah.
Center of Excellence po kami
It's
sa
not as if,
robotics.
so hindi ka na school of last resort.
Yun nga po, ma'am. Yun nga po, ma'am. In 2012, we joined yung sa Knowledge Channel po, Bayan Academy ng Rex. Most transformative school in the Philippines.
Oh, you
During
got
that,
that award.
yes po, naging
School of ano ka na? First choice.
yung sa nga sabi po nila,
School
from
of
a school
choice
of last resort,
The
naging
school
ganun
of
na po.
choice.
Yun po.
School
Yun
of
po yung
choice
story
ka na.
ng
Very
school.
galing, ah.
Pero siguro i-capture ko lang yung maganda mong sinabi na parang you did not start robotics for robotics
Yes,
per se.
Yes,
It was because you thought that it's part of engaging the students,
And value formation.
and then harnessing
Core values.
the energy, and then
Yes,
values
ma'am.
formation and all that. So that's clear to you
Yes po.
from the beginning.
Yes po.
So right now, na nag-proceed ka na ng K-12 robotics and all that, what exactly are the values that are learned by the students who are who are actually robotics program students?
Ang sarap po sabihin na critical thinking po, pero ang talaga po ina-emphasize namin is social responsibility. Na whatever we do for robotics, it should lead to a huge impact to the society. Kaya po, sa tingin ko po, kaya po kami nananalo usually. Hindi pa po, ngayon malalaman na po nila. Yung palagi pong there's always a relevance to the society
May
sa
social
ginagawa po
context,
namin.
oh.
For example po, nung nag-world champion po kami sa Malaysia, ginaya po namin yung kariton ni Efren Peña, Florida. Ni-robotize po namin siya. And it was the first three-girl group. Kaya
All
po,
girls.
all girls po. Kaya ho, wala po napupuntang mga tao sa amin, judges. Pero nung nanalo po kami, nagulat po kami talaga. So, it's always that. Palagi po kami hinahanap po namin yung relevance sa society.
Meron na ba sa flooding sa Bulacan?
Meron na rin.
Flood control.
Flood control.
Ano ba mga robotics program sa flood
Actually
control?
po, ma'am, nung 2014, nung Yolanda, nanalo rin po kami sa US.
Pero any of these products are, of course, in a competition, you show them, you
Apo.
build, right?
Apo.
Based on the research that was
Yes,
done
po.
and all that. Pero hindi naman siya nagiging
Oh, ito
commercial
na.
product, right?
Akala ko merienda tong binibigay
Ay,
sa
parang
atin.
ganyan
Iba,
po.
ito na.
Hindi naman siya nagiging commercial product, right?
Apo.
I mean,
Pero ma'am,
does it become a germ of an idea for an actual
Yes, ma'am.
commercial product?
actually, ma'am, it's not much of a commercial product. Pero noong 2023 po, nag-tie up na po kami sa LGU po ng Bukawi. Actually po, nalagay na po siya doon sa may river, yung detector po namin. It just happened po talaga na yung coordination lang po. Tinangay po kasi ng baha eh. Pero po, nito po, we have a tie-up already with the MDRRMO. Talaga po meron na po kami for the flood. Kasi flood prone
Parang
po ang
early
Bukawi.
warning, gano'n.
Yes po, opo.
Early detection.
Pero this detection device was already programmed 11 years ago, 2014 pa po. So, kung gagawin lang po talaga, napakadali niya, sir.
If we scale it up.
Kung kami kaya po namin, lalo po yung mga experts po natin. Madali po siya. Kasi mga bata po nakaano nito eh. Ang dali po nito eh.
Patented ba ito mga ito?
May isa na po kaming patented.
Ano
Opo.
itong napapatent niya?
Yung ano nga po ba yan, yung plastic po. Ginawa po namin na parang, inspired po kasi ito ni VP Lenny. Yung sa ano po yan? Yung sa
Chinelas.
chinelas po. Oo. So, siya po yung tagagawa. Ilalagay ho namin doon yung plastic. I-recycle namin. Magiging po siyang parang footwear po. Meron na po kaming ganun po.
At napapatent yun.
Opo. Nung ano po to, 23, 24
And then
po.
now, what's happening
Wala
to the
pa po,
product?
ma'am eh. Wala pa po. Oo.
Wala pang takers.
Yun nga, ma'am.
Parang,
May ano ka ba dyan? Do you have a direct, do you want to take a step in that direction na eventually?
hanapan natin ng
na
partner. To
Yun nga po,
Produce it in
yun nga
a
rin po,
large,
sir,
ano?
ma'am. maybe the next step for DYCI is really not competitions anymore eh. We have to go to the linkages na talaga sa society na talagang we
Like
go serious.
DOST, mga ganun. Wala bang kayong mga partnership?
In all fairness po, we have been continuously being supported. Kaya lang po, budget nga raw po, sabihin sa akin po nila, naku, wala talaga sa private schools eh. Talagang sa public schools lang talaga. Yun po.
That's good. Actually, maganda yan. Let's get it out in the open kasi dapat yan nalalaman ng
They all want to help po, kaya lang wala raw po talaga sa rules po na kasama ang private schools po talaga.
Bakit kaya? Bakit ito sa public
Kaya
benefit Bakit natin
There was a time
let's
nga po,
appeal,
Kayak pa po yung nag-support sa amin po nung isang competition po namin sa US and I'm very thankful sa tulong po na yun.
Ngayon, in many discussions, yun ang pinag-uusapan. Dapat wala ng distinction between public and
Hopefully
private
nga po,
schools
sir.
kasi it's the same We're
Yes, sir.
talking about the same education. Public
No,
good,
that's why I'm
benefit.
researching here, no? Kasi parang before, I was able to visit some schools no in the US. Meron talaga silang product development office Kasi parang, 'di ba? Kasi ito na yung ito na
Yun na
yung
nga po,
idea,
ma'am.
and then
Yeah.
patented na. And
Baka
then you have to
that's the way to go na nga po
yeah,
siguro po.
have a partner that will commercial.
Produce it
Yeah,
commercially,
for
make it commercially
commercial.
available. Or at least for use of government. They gawin nila in a larger scale for the country.
Ang ginawa lang po namin next step kasi po, kasi it's very costly po, di ba? Yung mga international travels. So sabi ko, paano kaya namin to at least magkakaroon ng income generation? Nagkaroon ho kami ng interactive museum of all the, hindi naman po lahat, pero almost all of the projects since 2007. And last year po, it was amazing to share na around 26,000
Already
students
visited.
were able to go. At naka-generate po kami ng enough funds to bring our team to Greece last May. Wherein they won the Champions Award also last
That's
May.
another of course, hindi lang naman for income generation, but because you really want to share best practice.
Apo.
We also see that in many schools abroad na
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good ang performance They already have an entire office that's just managing all of these visitors. Tapos meron pang ang fees
Yes,
yan
po.
Bawat isang visitor, meron fees, no? Because
Apo.
may full-time person who will
Yes,
take them
ma'am.
on a tour and then explain to them, diba? And hopefully, we're able to disseminate and inspire
Yes,
other
po.
schools to do the same.
Sana ganun. Sana papunta na tayo doon.
Kasi ano ko sa robotics, when you're saying na social responsibility ang value na medyo top of mind sa'yo. But sa akin, realistically, this is creativity
Yes,
and
po.
problem solving.
Innovation.
Yes, ma'am. Totoo.
Yun talaga yung kasi hindi naman yan natututuhan sa lecture. Nag-lecture ang teacher, tapos nakinig ang bata.
Yes, po.
Diba? It has to be some hands-on activity that will allow them to build, that will allow them to develop, and do some research. Ang bonus mo na lang is you're making them lean towards products or anything, products that will be beneficial to society.
Yes,
Kasi
ma'am.
leaning mo yun.
Okay, yun nga po.
Oo.
Admittedly, ma'am. Totoo yun, ma'am. Kids nowadays will not, cannot stay 60 minutes listening. Kahit ako po yung nagtuturo without doing anything po. Ang robotics, learning by doing Kaya talagang engaged po sila. Engaged po sila. Tapos ngayon nga po, sir, yung katulad po ng mga ganito, mas madali na po yung mga black bots po ngayon. Imagine niyo po, wala na po itong mga cables. Para na po talaga siyang Lego na pag pinagkabit-kabit, there will be a series of movements that can be done. So, yun ma'am. Creativity na ngayon. Creativity na yung papasok sa isip. Actually, it was tried with level 1 graders po. The Blackbot last March. Kita niyo po, na-capture yung mga mukha. Alam niyo, sense of wonder sa mga bata na they were playing but they were really designing things already. And the setup was like a community. So nakikita na po nila lahat.
What about your teachers? Do you need special teachers for this? Do you need special training for them? Kasi
Special,
iba-ibang levels ng grade levels.
Special training, sir. Pero actually po, meron kami English teacher. Filipino teacher. Hindi po talaga, di ba dati, comsci ka dapat. Hindi po Ngayon po, basta there's a sense of wonder in the teachers na gusto nila maging creative po, innovative.
Pwede sila.
Tinatanong ko na nga po sila sino gusto? Kasi mas masaya sa robotics, ginagano ko na para ayaw nyo naman sa English, dito na kayo.
So, you will get a full load kung puro robotics ang subject.
Kasi ma'am, ang dami namin sections po Kasi talagang, sorry po.
Aba. At nagpatayo ng bagong building ito.
Di ba?
Hindi ba bago kang building?
Yun po.
So you think robotics is can be one of the reasons why naging
Definitely,
attractive
ma'am.
ka?
Opo, definitely. It became our competitive advantage po.
Taas ang demand. Yeah.
Pero nung una po talaga, parang wait and see po mga tao sa amin. Kasi nga, School of Last Resort ang tingin nakachamba lang yan. Nung nanalo, 2008, 2009. Pero ang tagal na pong tsamba. Yung kumbaga dire-diretso na po. Mukhang totoo na to So ayan na po. Yung mga nag-reflect po sa population po namin. Yan po.
Yung mga ibang schools, ba't hindi sila makapag-start dyan on the same track or direction? Mahirap ba na What does it take to put up a good robotics program?
Actually, sir, hindi po mahirap.
Hindi mahirap, oo.
Kailangan lang po talaga yung principal is also into it.
So ikaw yun?
Ako po kasi parang fan
So
po.
ikaw yun?
Hindi, paano po ba yan? Fan po kasi ako ng Voltes 5. Alam niyo yan?
Yes,
Star Wars.
Oo, ano natin yan?
Ayun nga, ma'am,
You just dated yourself.
Opo, okay lang po.
Voltes 5, oo.
Voltes 5, Star Wars.
Fan din ako niyan. Pero ikaw hindi mo alam yan.
Alam ko yan, Voltes 5.
Oo.
Voltes 5.
Kumbaga po
Baka
dapat
natrono ka
yung maging bata ulit
naman.
na principal. Di ba? Yung magka-sense of wonder po ulit.
Pero nakikita nila na it's your competitive advantage. Bakit hindi sila nag-venture?
Gumaya. Di ba kasi
O
you know how it is.
Apo.
Nagaya
Eh,
yung
May
Ikaw
siguro
naman
ka
yun pa.
mahirap bang pumasok doon?
Akala siguro po nila, pero it's not po Hindi naman po Actually nga po ma'am, yung mga books po kuminsan, sabi, hindi po mayabang to. Ang dali naman ito. Ibahin natin. Komplikahin natin. Kasi it's so basic po. Kung magta-try lang po talaga, madali po siya. Ngayon po, in the recent Philippine Robotics Olympiad, sponsored by FELTA, may public schools na po na pumapasok sa finals. Na from Bulacan, na dati po hindi. Dati po from Makati po palagi, Quezon City, and sa Taguig.
At what level ito? High school?
High school na po, ma'am. So, ayan na po sila
So sa akin, sige, now having said that, sige, ang sabi ni Attorney Estrada, mahirap ba? Bakit hindi sumusunod yung iba? May effect ba na kailangan very strong sila sa K-6 nila bago sila mag-succeed sa robotics program? Pwede bang mag-succeed sa robotics ang
Mahina sa
reading? Hindi nakaka-comprehend? Hindi magaling sa math?
Naman na ngayon, functionally
Opo.
illiterate.
Ano ba yan?
Pero
Requirement
honestly
naman.
po, ma'am, noong time na yon, mahina rin po kami. Kasi talagang may evidence mo kaya rin kami nag-School of Last Resort noong time na yon So talaga may kulang din kami, ma'am. Pero siguro po kasi ang robotics, yes, it needs critical thinking. Pero siguro it needs po someone to rally the students na this is interesting enough for you to give your time. Eventually po.
And nag-improve ang kanilang academics.
Opo
ba? Would you say?
Kaya po, opo
So
It's interesting,
basically, hindi
Oo.
talaga kasalanan ng bata kung hindi mataas ang kanyang comprehension at numeracy skills. Nagkukulang lang ng oportunidad para ma-develop niya to the fullest.
Parang gano'n.
Diba?
Or strategies ng school.
And
no?
siguro po, ma'am, sir, kailangan din po ng champion. Yung sabihin, yung leaders po, school leaders in the ground, kailangan paramdam po nila na importante ito. At kami mismo po, nandun kami. Yung hindi ko, pari ako principal, sabi ko, gawin mo itong robotics.
Pero may correlation. Manbawa, ang magaling sa robotics, yung ding mga magagaling sa science and math. Ang magaling
Wala
sa
naman ganun.
robotics, yung mga magagaling sa reading and English, may ganun ba? Paano ba?
Wala pa po kami formal research.
Pero sige, anecdotally, ang mga nagiging champion sa robotics at napapadala nyo in international competitions, medyo upper
Yes
10%
po. Pwede
pa
rin po, oo.
of the graduating
Opo.
class kahit papano.
Opo.
ganyan.
Pero ano po, pwede pong average. Pero hanggang doon lang po. Kaysa kailangan mo rin mag-communicate. Kasi po, matitindi po ang question and answer po Malalaman po kung hindi kayong gumawa So, may mga napaamin nga pong schools na from the Philippines
Wow.
na hindi silang gumawa.
Talaga.
Who did that? May
During the
coach.
competition?
Yes
During
po.
the competition?
Oo. And yun po. Kasi nga po, yun pa po isang advantage po ng mga taga DYCI. Sanay po kasi kami sa hirap eh. Alam niyo po yun, kasi pag gumagawa ka ng projects, hindi po madali eh. It takes time. Eh kapag galing ka po sa matataas po na schools, hindi po yung mag-extend ng so many hours para to build the big robot or something that's ano.
So talagang nag-extend after
Opo.
class hours ang mga bata.
Kumisan
ang mga
nga po,
coaches nila.
doon na po sila natutulog eh.
Talaga.
Tapos hatid sundo na lang po namin sa mga bahay. Ganun po. Doon kami na po nagpapakain, pagka 1 week na lang po before. Katulad po ngayon, ma'am, sir, sa August 7 po, pupunta po sila ng Macau for an Asia Pacific Robotics Tournament. So, ngayon po yan, ang biruan nga po na hindi na sila mga naliligo. Kasi, ano na eh.
So, may preparations ito before they go to
Yes
actual...
po.
Ano
Oo,
yun usually? Anong...
Kasi
They
po
build
kami,
something na here?
pag nanalo po kami sa national, sisirain po namin ulit yan eh. I-reconstruct namin to further improve it. Ganun
Like
po
what?
kasi.
Like,
So ano yung
oo.
nanalo nyo na product? Very recent.
Yung pong sa water eh. Ano ba tawag dyan? Parang makakadetect ka ng mga algae blooms. Ito po yun nung May. So, meron po siyang detector para paano rin talunin yung algae blooms, ganyan po. And ang maganda po kasi sa mga robotics competitions, it's not only the scientific side. You also have to communicate it properly. They will also see if you have an ownership of what you did talaga. So, lahat po yun eh. Pinapractice po namin yon. May script din ho kami how to create a impact-filled presentation. Ganun po. So, lahat po talaga holistic po ang mga robotics competitions.
Now, ang isang naisip ko, Doris, baka pwedeng like you mentioned about public schools eh. Is it possible na kayo, you train those in the public schools, no?
We are doing that
Or
now.
You're doing it now?
Yes po. That's why-
Ilang schools ang
Ang adopted po namin is the Bukawi Central School. Meron po kami isang public school po sa Malolos. And then, the superintendent is going to have a MOA with us na will be the trainers of their public school system po.
So you train the teachers
Yes
in
po.
public schools.
Opo.
Pero yung mga students, they also attend
Nung before
robotics
pandemic
class.
po, sir, may mga pinapadala ho every Friday sa amin. 30, 40 students. And we let them use our robotics, robotics laboratories.
So yun like yung sa mga competitions, gaano ka bata yung mga as early as what age?
Grade
sumasali?
4 po.
Grade 4 sumasali
Opo.
na. And then as old as mga senior high, meron
Opo,
pa rin.
16, 17 years
But
old.
anong medium of instruction dito? Medium of communicating during the competition?
English po.
English
English
talaga.
po.
ha?
So dapat
Opo.
proficient in
Yeah.
English.
May
Yung una po
proficiency.
namin laban po, ayun na nakakatuwa po. Yung 4th place po kami kaagad, first try ho namin.
Ay, oh.
Kaya alam po, nag-nosebleed po yung mga bata.
Ito-
Nung question and answer, nagtatago po pagka question and answer na kasi nga hindi sanay mag-English. Pero they know how to create. Kaya gumaganon ako na natatalo na sila. I know now what needs to be done. So because of robotics po, na-improve din ho namin yung curriculum po namin eh.
Yan.
So we have
That's
this year-round English-speaking campaign
Oh, wow.
na naging po namin to, naging competitive advantage din po. Kaya rin po isa to sa reason ba't po kami nanalo nung sa Rex po na Most Transformative School eh. Kasi innovative din po yung English-speaking campaign ho namin. Na it's not about negative reinforcement, it's positive
So
reinforcement.
how? Para matuto rin yung natin.
Apo. Di ba usually po teachers give punishments or what? What
They
we
don't
do
speak.
is we have students who we call English facilitators. So itong English facilitators po na to will go around each section for a certain time. Then if you speak, I ask questions to you po. 1 sentence will be a score of ganito. Pag 2 sentences, 3 sentences. Pagka naka-reach ka po ng 250 points, may button pin ka maliit. Palaki ng palaki. Tapos pagka naka 1,000 points ka po, sir, may medal ka sa recognition.
Wow.
Kaya po yung recognition namin kumisang 5 hours kasi ang dami po naka-reach ng na okay lang po sa akin kasi at least we've achieved our goal that they are now communicators. And proudly, sir, ang mga alumni, ang sinasabi nila, if there's one thing that they are thankful about the UACI, it's about their communication skills
That's good.
na they bring to Ateneo, to UP, to UST, Lasal, and so on.
Then usually ba yung the students in robotics, they usually end up ba in engineering courses, mga ganun, or related fields?
Yes po. Yung isa nga po, kinuha po kagad ng DOST after. Nung,
Scholar, DOS.
after nag-computer science sa amin po, direct hire na po kagad ni Dr. Bio.
So sa inyo din, nag-college?
Opo, nag-college po. And she became
Anong course?
computer science po.
Computer science.
And she became one of the 10 outstanding students of the
So
Philippines.
in other words, your
Wow.
own graduates in the senior high also go to your own college.
Siguro po mga 30%
Correct,
po.
but the good ones also go to your college. You still are able to get some of the good ones.
Some po.
That's
Some.
good enough.
Some
Bakit
po.
yung iba talagang they,
Move talaga.
Ang nakakatawa nga po, yung mga parents, pag pinapayagan ko po mag-UP Ateneo, nagtatampo po sa akin. Sabihin, ba't ayaw niyo na ba sa mga anak ko namin? Gusto ko dito eh. Sabi ko, iba naman po kasi ang UP, Ateneo, Lasal, scholarship po yan eh. So, nakakatawa po yung love po nila yung school. Nakakatawa po. Nga po eh.
What's the population now?
Laki na to eh.
The whole school po, from preschool to college, around 12,000.
Wow, laki.
Opo.
Kasi I remember I was very new with PAC when it was mentioned that there is this big senior high school in Bulacan. Puntahan natin. And we went. First time I met him, it was really a
Takot kami
monitoring visit. At that time, dahil pre-pandemic, talagang hilera. Talagang, di ba, bibilangin ng mga
Yes,
bata.
po.
So, pinalabas atang bata and then, head count.
Isang campus lang yun, yung
And yeah,
12,000
but
yun.
there
Pero
were-
ngayon po, dalawa na po.
Dalawa na.
But there were thousands. So
Opo.
talagang ang dami kong tagabilang. Kumpleto naman daw.
Aha.
Hindi ko nga alam i-pronounce yung pangalan nila. No? Yanga. Ako ng Yanga eh.
Yanga.
Sa Manila
Yanga.
naman po talaga, ma'am, Yanga ho. Nung nasa
Kanina
Ateneo
sabi
po,
ko Yanga, so Yanga pala.
Oo, Yanga, diba?
Sa Bulacan po, Yanga po kami.
And then when I saw the school, sabi ko, it's really run. I mean, not because you're here, no. It's like a Catholic school actually. You know how you
Oo nga
do your
po.
values formation.
Yes,
How
po.
I saw all the values in the
Yes,
different
po.
bulletin boards, ganyan. Talagang very siya dun eh. Tapos yung message from the president. Tapos nagko-compose ka pa ng mga
Yes,
mga hymn,
Yes,
right?
yes.
School hymn and all.
Galing ah. Pero initially, hindi ito yung vision ng founder. Ng lolo mo. Hindi yung naisip ng robotics.
Wala pa,
ng
ano
lolo
po
mo.
yan. Ang vision lang po ng lolo ko, maging private school for the poor. Yun po talaga.
Oh, that's nice.
Yun po talaga yung ano niya.
So yung during your time lang talaga siya nag-shift doon.
Opo. At hindi ko rin naman po planado.
But
Wala,
still
no?
school for the poor.
Yes po,
I mean,
yun po
you still
talaga.
also cater to the...
Nag-ano nga po kami, ma'am, nag-count po kami. So 90% of course are payak grantees. Pero aside from that, 60% pa po are scholars or experiencing discounts from DYCI also. We have this Sagip Aral program also na on top of the grants, meron pa po kami dinadagdag.
Pero yung mga public nakakapunta sa junior high and senior high, marami
Ngayon
kang
po,
public
ma'am, ngayon lumalaki po ang grade 7 po
na
namin.
incoming public.
Opo.
Coming from public 6.
Almost 800 po kami ngayon ng grade 7.
Dapat itong binibigyan ng special
Actually, pinuntahan
grants.
ka na, di ba? Sinong
Oo,
Secretary of
ng
Education
DepEd.
ang nakarating na sa'yo?
Wala pa po, si VP Lenny po.
Wala
Si VP
pa,
Lenny
si VP
po.
Lenny.
Noong March 29.
Kailangan mabisita ng...
Very good.
Ako very much willing ba?
Model ng
Galing, no?
DYCI.
If you can scale it.
And the students are very disciplined.
Thank you po.
Ang galing. Oo.
Kasi yun ang sinasabi ko kapag nakikita na minomodel ng leader at ng mga teachers. Alam mo, napakahalaga nun eh. Yung ganong klaseng, di ba, nakikita nila.
Siguro po, ma'am, natapat lang na enjoy ako talaga. Kasi personally po, isa pa po pala, coach din po ako ng robotics.
Oh, really?
Ako po tagagawa ng script nila. Ako po yung tagagawa ng acronym nila. Yung mga pangalan. And ngayon po, ginagaya na po ng mga ibang international schools. Pati po intonation patterns po natin.
Ano yung intonation pattern?
Basta po, bigla magsasabay-sabay ho yung mga bata. Welcome to DYCI. Ayun. Mabuhay Philippines. Pati po yung intonation pattern na yun. Mabuhay, kasi may mga Filipino communities po sa Middle East eh. Gagayahin po talaga. Matatawa ka na lang na
Alam mong galing sa inyo.
alam mong binenchmark yung pati yung patterns
When I went to your,
po.
what do you call your laboratory, your museum? What do you call
Apo, alab po.
Alab, no? When I went to Alab and the students were there, ang mga bata, di ba may isang
Apo.
nagigigil ako. Ang
Si
cute
Haven
ng
po.
mga bata. Very cute, very confident.
Apo.
They speak so well. At At saka talagang kita mo yung mata nila parang may twinkle-twinkle pag sumasagot sa'yo parang ipaliwanag yung programa
Oo nga
nila.
po eh. Kaya po, kasi po, yun nga po, communication po talaga is part of being a student of our school talaga.
Okay. So, sa senior high naman,
Apo.
yung STEM nyo, I imagine, that's very strong. Yun ang direction nyo rin, no? Pag senior high.
Yes po.
STEM programs.
Ang nakakatuwa po, yung mga students po namin who were our former scholars, especially because of the grantees of PEAC. Alam po, galing sila UP. Magugulat po kami, nag-a-apply sila. Sabi ko, imalit ang sweldo dito. Alam niyo po, yung isa po summa cum laude. And now he is taking doctoral, direct po kagad doctoral marine science. Sabi niya, ba't ka ako pa nga po nagpo-push out sa kanya. Ba't ka bumabalik? Mas marami kang I want to give back. Sabi ho niya. So siya ngayon ho, science director ho namin sa senior high. So pati po yung isa naman po, magna cum laude, bumalik din. Siya ngayon na sustainability officer po namin.
So when I went to their new campus, di ba?
Aba.
The design is so nice, and then ang daming green. Para siya actually coffee shop.
Ayaw
siyang
lang ni ma'am yung
eskwelahan
artificial
na-
grass.
Para siyang eskwelahan na coffee shop. Tapos nakita ko yung artificial grass. Sabi ko, bakit yung grass? Artificial.
Ayan, ma'am,
Lahat
pinag-iisipan na namin,
Lahat
ma'am.
na greens na nga eh. Tsaka open siya eh.
Ayan ma'am, pinag-iisipan na namin.
Very
Paano?
nice ang design. Galing. Galing ng ng naging. So basically you're saying robotics ang isang programa na naging competitive advantage.
Yes po. It was what we call, yun nga po, meron po kasing sinabi si Michael Porter and Kramer na sa Harvard po na shared value creation. I never thought it will be a shared value creation. What does shared value creation means? It was both beneficial to the school and to the community. Na it changed us. It also enhanced the community through our students. Kasi it changed us
The
po eh.
community outside the school.
Opo. Kasi ang dami pong, yung mga students po, lalo po yung mga nag-compete, ang gaganda po ng buhay nila ngayon eh. Tapos talagang nakakatuwa po na dati hindi sila ganun.
And
Kaya
it's
po,
felt by their families. Parang ganon.
I do think so po.
So you do tracer studies nung
Yan
of
nga
your
po pinagagawa
graduates?
sa amin,
Ano?
sir. Na sana nga raw po magkaroon ho kami ng formal study about, especially those who competed.
Yes.
Saan napunta sila.
Maganda yan.
Oo.
Okay, mga case
Ang ganda
studies.
po eh.
They made a career or profession
Apo.
out of it. No?
Yun nga po.
Yeah. Or how it became life-changing. Diba? And then tsaka yung probably I don't know how you can think of a program that will make all of these champions give back. Give
Yeah,
back
po eh.
to Yanga, diba?
Ang very sentimental po rito is when we have a competition. Alam niyo po yun, hindi na sila sinasabihan. The night before, the students will leave for an international competition. Yung mga alumni po pumupunta.
Ay, nice. Oh,
They
yeah.
give a pep talk to the...
Those are good traditions.
Or
You can
tatakutin
put-
nila
Parang
yung
may
mga...
send-off.
Tinatakot nila yung mga bata na hindi yan hindi yan vacation. You have to win for the school. Sila na po yung nagsasabi, hindi na
See?
kami.
So
Kaya
all the
po eh.
more are they organized.
Yes
so
po.
easy to bring them
Yes
all
po.
together, di ba?
Kasi nakilala ng akin.
And some of our coaches are our alumni po.
Kasi nung nasa doing, you know this, when I did student affairs work, I always say, alam mo, pag makinig ka sa commencement speeches ng mga bata, most of the time they'll talk about all the non-classroom activities. Yun
Yes,
talaga
po.
yung tumatak sa kanila.
Yeah.
And that developed leadership, initiative,
Yes,
social
po.
responsibility, awareness, love for the institution. It's not really what happened inside the classrooms. No?
Oo nga po.
So that to me is yan talaga yung sobrang lakas
It's the experience,
ng impact
oh.
sa mga bata.
Oo nga po.
Experiencing education. No?
Oo.
Galing, ha? What's next after robotics? Anong...
Baka secret.
Hindi po. Ako po kasi...
Secret.
Kasi
Ako
imagine
po-
na sobrang successful. yung
Siguro
program.
that's the
What
next part nga po. It's
Oo.
no longer about competitive
I
advantage.
like that part.
It's for all na po.
Or for Buhawi at the minimum,
Opo.
right? Or for Bulacan, di ba?
Yes po. We're doing that po. And particularly po sa school naman, we are forming this, kaya po kami nagpagawa ng building. Yung second floor po nun is an AI lab. We call that RAISE lab. RAISE, R-A-I-S-E. responsible artificial intelligence specialized education.
Responsible.
Artificial intelligence specialized education.
Ano mga students doon that they can
And
join
gusto ko pong gawin na katulad din po ng robotics na it's for all.
for all din?
So yan po yung ongoing namin na
AI naman ngayon.
opo, na embedded din naman po kasi sa robotics yun eh. Na gusto ho namin, kasi we cannot do away with an AI po.
AI.
Yes.
Yeah.
At least we should be responsible. Yun po yung gusto namin
And then
gawin.
I like your chapel. Because in your chapel, you explain who's your patron. Your patron saint.
Carlo Acutis po. Blessed Carlo Acutis po. Who is a computer, ano po.
Oo nga. di ba?
Kaya po talagang yun po, talagang in honor din po para maging inspirasyon po siya ng mga namin.
That's
So,
nice.
it's a young, diba?
Baka kayo first school also to, di ba?
Baka, yun nga pong pangalan ng chapel namin, saint na po siya, hindi pa nga
Oo
ho
nga
siya
eh,
saint.
Hindi pa saint, hintay pa lang tayo.
Na-approve po kami ng bishop kasi si Bishop Dennis po ng Diocese Malolos, ang promoter pala po ni Blessed Carlo Acutis.
But up to now, di ba? Hindi pa.
Sa September 7 po.
Nauna
Malapit
ka pa.
na.
Oo nga po eh.
Kapag
Kaya
magiging saint
malapit na
naman.
po. Malapit na pong maging legit po.
But I think you're the
Nung
first
nabasa
school,
natin yun, di ba? Yung
to,
Blessed Carlo ako. Sabi ko,
to
St.
give
Carlo
honor.
Acutis Chapel na po.
Oo.
Inassume na po namin.
very siya. Very good inspiration for the children.
Yes po.
Kasi talagang yun eh. Ano yun, millennial?
15-year-old lang po siya.
Millennial. At data Xer by millennial.
Namatay po siya 2007 po eh.
What about mga partnerships with industries, mga private
Yan
enterprises?
po
Wala
sir.
pa.
Yan po. Hopefully
Sana
po.
maganda
No?
ma-open, no?
Opo. Yan po siguro yung next po rin namin.
Para they can also help fund, like, di ba, they sponsor laboratory siguro.
Opo.
That's for their own use. Baka
Yes po.
pwedeng,
Yun na nga po.
in the future siguro, yun ang
That's the next po siguro.
galing. Pero muna, government muna siguro sa public schools.
Local government.
Local
Diba?
government.
Bukawi,
Yes po.
Bulacan.
Yes po.
Diba? Oo,
We are very
malaking
much
bagay.
ready po to help. the
What about
community.
other branches in the future? Would you like to have other campuses?
Yan nga po, sabi nga po yung college po kasi ngayon, the dream is to make our school an autonomous school muna po. And then a university. Siguro po after nun, yun na po.
I think you have a good chance na to be a university kasi
Yun nga
very
po.
unique yung program ninyo.
Proudly nga po yung Commission on Higher Education. We were shortlisted na 10 out of the 250 schools po sa Region 3. We were invited parang the next 10 ho to be autonomous. Candidates for autonomous status. So,
Abangan
we're
natin.
really taking this seriously po so that we can comply. Yun po. Yun yung next step.
Pero maganda kung maraming branches, no? Makapag-branch out.
Sana po.
I also heard that you're starting a data science unit, right?
Opo, yung because of the NUS inspiration siniseryoso na po namin ngayon yung data.
Yung sunod na
namin.
chapel nyo, baka pwedeng St. Doris na.
Ay, wag.
Yun po.
Pwede, Doc, pwede.
Doc D Chapel. Doc D Training Center.
Ayun, papa. Pwede yan.
Kahit wag daw
Pwede yan,
chapel.
pwede yan. O kaya garden.
Garden.
Garden na may tunay na grass.
Oo nga po eh.
Oh, coffee shop. Gusto ko yon. Oo. Kahit kape nga pwede.
Doc D
papayag pa ako.
Coffee.
Doc D
Coffee Center.
Yung library ho namin mukhang Starbucks.
Oo nga eh. Kaya sa ang ganda ng pagkagawa. I'm very happy that you're so you're so inspired and so passionate. At talagang maraming bata, no? Lalo na yung nasa mga low-income groups
Yun
na
po.
talaga nagkakaroon ng ganitong klaseng experience.
I always remind po the community po na yes, we're increasing, pero sana po hindi sila maging faceless many. There should always be a face in every person. Kasi nga po, ang motto namin is Magis Quam Schola Familia. More than a school, a family.
Ayan, I like that.
So, yun po.
So, the school is non-profit.
Ano po siya kasi incorporated po eh. So, for
Because
profit.
It's for profit.
Pero po, meron po
It's a
mandate
family.
kami sa tita ko na any income, walang kukuha. We have to put it back. And we're doing that for the last 20 years. And masaya naman po kami kasi yun ho talaga yung motto namin.
But it's a family, it's a close corporation.
Opo.
family lang.
Pero so if I'm a school and I want to start with the robotics program, can you give us a step-by-step
Definitely po.
guide? O paano? Paano sila mag-start? Ano yung mga non-negotiables na dapat umpisa ng isang school leader who wants to do a robotics program?
Siguro po, number one, do you have allotted time are you going to really put time weekly for robotics? Number two, are you going to dedicate your teachers to that? Tapos number three po, are you going to monitor them? Kasi po, may cheaper way na po ngayon na robotics. Yun yung pong Arduino, and there are so many others po. Medyo mura na po ngayon kesa nung nag-start kami. So, it's more of, hindi po to pwede na, sige, mag-literacy kayo dyan. Kayo na lang bahala. Hindi po eh. As I have said, you have to champion it. Makita ho ng teachers na you are also supportive of them. Kasi change po to eh. Change management. You have to champion the change. Kung hindi po sila na, iuutos lang po nila sa subordinate nila, wag na lang po. I think...
But you know, what you just defined is not just for robotics.
Exactly.
Any program
Yeah,
or
any
innovation that you want to put in place,
People
diba, you
are
have to
averse to
make
change
sure.
eh.
Oo, you
Talagang
have to
grabe na yan.
start with that. Diba? Parang, are you going to dedicate time? Are you going to make
Totoo
sure that
naman
your
po.
faculty
When there's
will be
something
fully
new.
on board?
Diba?
Are you going to take charge of monitoring and making sure that, you know, your change management, diba, is coming
Opo.
from the top. No, it's always coming from the top, no?
Sa totoo lang po, there's nothing extraordinary
Nothing
po.
extraordinary.
Wala po.
no?
But what is that, no? Yung, let's talk about challenges naman. Oo.
Funds po.
Funds pa talaga. Bilis
bilis
na sagot.
bilis
Ano bang sagot? Ano bang ibang
Aside from
sagot?
funds, nagbago, ang tagal nyo nang ini-implement ito eh. Nagbago na ba ngayon ng
Wala pa
policy
rin, sir.
environment? Wala naman.
Wala pa rin, sir.
It's not
Kami pa rin
regulated,
po talaga, sir, we're solo flight pa rin, sir.
Wala
Eh,
pa rin
Ang ginagawa ko namin pagka, parang Europe, magpapa-concert na po kami, mga
But
ganyan.
your local government, hindi ba sila doon?
Ah,
They take pride.
In all fairness po sa mayor namin, they will give, kaya alam po, napakalaki po kasi talaga eh.
ng cost. Oo.
Ng
For
cost
having
po.
to go. Oo.
Talaga pong majority po talaga is, ang constant po na naman namin talaga yung LGU po namin, in all fairness.
Oh, that's very good.
To the Villanueva family po. Imagine niyo po competitor po kami kasi there's a
Yeah,
JIL
school,
school.
oo.
Pero they support po. Kaya nakakatuwa po. Wala pong
Wala pa bang
competition.
robotics? Ang
Hi,
GIS?
Senator
Meron po,
Joel.
meron po yan. Meron, alam ko
Hi,
po,
Kasi may
Senator
robotics
Joel.
na rin sila.
meron po.
Oo.
Actually nga po, I mean,
Meron na rin sila.
alam ko po meron po
Meron na
sila.
daw. Maging consortium
Opo.
na ito. Baka pwede kayong ano.
Kaya nga po eh.
Joint program na to.
And ako naman po
That's
kasi,
good to know.
I was elected last year po as the Bukawi Private School Association
Yes,
President.
yes.
So sinasabi ko nga po sa Raxo, kay Skilla Sir John, Sir Allen, I'm sharing everything that
Yeah.
I'm learning from them. Partners na rin po sila ng Raxo.
Very, very, very,
Kasi hindi
very
na po to
unselfish.
competitive
Yun
advantage.
That's
Hindi na po.
true, that's
Hindi na
true.
Yeah,
Collaboration
you can
na po.
start something like a robotics hub sa of the
In
Philippines.
Bukawi,
Pwede
no?
Bukawi, di ba?
Pwede po.
Bukawi, no?
We can do
the
that.
robotics hub of the Philippines. Oh,
Yun nga po eh.
Galing naman, very inspiring naman yan.
daming pwedeng gawin.
Opo.
Oo.
Diba? Tas hindi kailangan So funding ang problema ninyo, but you were able to do this 90%.
Pero
are
kanina yung
students are-
natawa ako sa sinabi ni Kelly, which is really very striking, no? Kasi sabi niya, kasi ako mismo gusto ko yun eh. Gusto ko yung nagko-coach, gusto ko,
Oo, eh.
that's very important, ano? Parang kitang-kita mo na yung school head mo, ang ganun ka
Sabi ko po,
interested at ganun ka
involved,
passionate.
oo.
Kitang-kita ng mga bata.
Kunwari po yung competition ngayon. Sabi ko po 2 months ago, hindi na ako sasama. Tapos last week sabi ko, sasama ako. Tapos sigurado po, alam na po nila yan, makikialam na naman po ako the night before, ito gagawin natin. Ay, hindi maganda yung pronunciation mo. Ayusin natin yung ganyan po. Last sa Greece, iniba ko po yung format, last minute, 2 hours before the presentation.
So,
And you
where do
were-
you get the inspiration for this? Paano mo lang naisip kung ano yung magkiklik at hindi
Tinitingnan ko lang po yung rubrics din po eh. So, tinitingnan ko po. Tapos, basta po pag-enjoy kayo talaga, ma'am.
Importante yun.
Yung sense of wonder po talaga.
Tingnan mo kami ni Erap, enjoy na enjoy kaming mag-usapang ed. Kitang-kita sa
Kaya
mga
nga po.
mukha
Kahit
namin,
pagod na
di
kami.
ba?
Ito, sir.
Nagtutwinkle ang mata mo.
Nagtitwinkle, no? Kasi,
Kasi ito,
Muta.
Nagtutwinkle lang mata eh. Tsaka
Pag may
yung mga
bago
estudyante
po eh,
niya,
pag may bago,
nagtutwinkle lang
nakakatuwa
mata
po eh. Nakakatuwa po pag may mga innovations.
And your students, they're so alive when they
Oo
do
nga po eh.
robotics.
Kaya nga po, ma'am.
They're so, alam mo yung parang, di ba usually when you see visitors, yung mga bata, medyo aatras eh. Sila hindi, talagang
Gusto
usap, di
They
ba?
volunteer.
Yeah,
They're
po.
very
Oo,
proud.
Yeah.
Oo, nakakatuwa
Galing
nga
naman.
po eh. Yun nga po.
Ang galing, haba na ng journey. How many years of robotics journey na to?
So almost 20 years na po pala. 2007 po eh. So by 2027, 20 years na po.
But just a little parang coincidentally, First Asia Institute of Technology and Humanities, yan ang Region 4B ng PAC. Nandun tayo.
Ganun po.
Yes, because the Sintanawan, Batangas.
Yeah.
Owned by the Belen. So, hi, Dr. Belen, the
And
President.
I'm forever thankful po sa
Oo,
kanila.
at nandun nagpupunta ang 4B schools. Kasi easier to go to Batangas than to any of the islands.
Right, right.
So, until now, they're our regional office.
And every time po ako nagto-talk about this, palagi po silang kasali.
Talaga. Do they know? Do they know that
I
you
don't know po
acknowledge
eh.
them?
Hindi ko nga po alam.
Oh, very
Kasi
proud
po
to
yung
have
unang
to tell
competition
Dr.
namin,
Belen. Oo.
tinatalo nila kami eh. So talagang nakakatuwa po. Sarap matalo ng idol mo, di ba? Parang, then eventually after 2 years, ayun na, kami na po.
Tinalo nyo na sila.
But until now, active din sila.
Hindi na
Active
po
din
eh.
na. Sayang.
Sayang nga po
Baka
eh.
shifted gears.
Sila po tsaka Grace Christian. Ang
Yes.
magagaling
Ako
po.
si Dr. James
Hanggang ngayon ba?
Tan.
Grace
Yeah.
Christian?
Oo,
Grace
very
Christian
aggressive
and
until
Claret po.
Oh.
Claret.
Uy,
now. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. But si Dr.
Hanggang
James
ngayon,
Tan,
sila.
ganyan din.
Oo.
Parang
Opo.
ikaw yun, no? I mean, at his age, he is so into this,
Nandun po yun, pagka-competition.
Oh, yes.
Nandun po siya, nagpupunta po siya.
You know who's an alumnus of Grace Christian?
Sino?
Senator Win.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yes, of course. Oh.
Yan po, there was a time na para kami Ateneo Lasal ng Grace Christian.
talaga.
Palitan po kami every year.
Oh,
Kaya nag-usap nga ako kami, why not pag sa isang
Alam mo, dapat
international
gumawa
magsama
na to
kami.
ng Robotics Association of the Philippines.
Oo nga.
Dapat
Paano ba?
meron
Paano
kayong
ba?
something to for your 20 years eh. Parang
gawa
na
let's
tayo ng
target
ganon.
something. Meron
Sige
kayong
ma'am,
activity.
call for us. Lahat po kami pupunta.
Diba? Magko-convene na sila.
Oo.
Kasi, there's...
Pero ako talaga ma'am, faith po talaga. Thankful ako.
Faith.
And Claret po. Kasi ang Claret po, they have the most, pinakamababait po na robotics team members. Consistent po yun.
Talaga?
Totoo po yun. We were nobodies po. Alam niyo, hindi naman kami kilala po.
Oo.
Pero when they see na kulang kami sa ganito, uy, ano kailangan nyo? Even their coaches po.
Oo. Shout out kay Father
Oo.
Mao, no?
Totoo po
Father
yan.
Mao,
Totoo po yan.
Ang
pinakamababait
babait daw ng
Totoo po yan.
ng-
At yung coach nila si Sir Rox po. Yan.
Scientia Maxime cum virtute.
Totoo po yan.
Yan, sila yun. Knowledge is best with virtue.
Amen.
Diba? High Claret School. O, diba?
Okay. Meron pa ba?
Ano pang,
You want, pang hindi namin is there
Na-cover.
any? Yeah. Oo, siguro.
So ngayon talagang embedded na siya sa curriculum mo. Part
Yes
of
po.
TLE.
Aha. Tapos,
Siguro yun 4 to 12 TLE.
aside from
K to
computer
3,
literacy,
K to 3 nilalagyan mo rin.
nilagay na po.
Anong subject sa K to 3? Ang robotics.
Robotics po.
Robotics
Hiwalay
talaga.
po talaga.
Oo nga. Huwag nang pangalanan ng iba.
Oo.
Robotics,
Robotics
na talaga.
Opo, nagiging
How many
ano,
minutes siya sa kindergarten?
1 hour. Ano po? Siguro 40 minutes.
A day?
Opo. Hindi po. Ano lang po siguro once a week.
Once a week.
Parang club.
Hindi po. Talagang lahat
talaga
So
po.
may grade.
Hindi po. Ano lang. A, B, B+. Pero, syempre po, there's, wala namang ibabagsak kasi it's not part of the academic, po. Ang gusto lang po namin, sense of wonder. Magsimula na sa kanila.
Very nice.
So they also track their own improvement.
Opo.
Alam mo, kailangan gumawa na rin ng curriculum itong na to eh.
Yun nga po.
Doktoryangan na to eh. No?
di ba?
Kailangan
Di
gumawa
ba?
na to eh.
Alam mo, yun nga ang worry ko baka mamaya, na siya, di ba, curriculum, tas may prescribed, sabihin, regulated na. Baka yung creativity
Yun nga.
comes from,
The sad part po is in the college level po. We were supposed to apply for robotics engineering. Kaya lang po wala tayong curriculum. And then, ang kailangan daw po,
Walang PSGs.
opo
pero pag autonomous deregulated ka.
yun nga po.
Okay,
Kaya po
dapat
namin
bigay sa inyo
tinatarget po
yan,
yung autonomous po
Oh, shout out
kailangan-
daw sa ating new
Sa bagong
chair.
chair, Dr. Agrupi.
Oo nga,
For
oo
sure.
nga.
Ito na, may gagawa daw ng PSGs ng robotics engineering.
Dapat yun ang
Yeah,
diba?
well.
Dapat ganun ang mga binibigyan ng
Kailangan daw po din, dapat robotics engineering, ang masters, undergrad robotics engineering. Wala naman po tayong ganun.
wala nga.
Abroad.
Sa Ateneo de Davao lang po yata ang nag-umpisa po ng ano eh.
Interesting.
Opo.
So,
kailangan pa po.
why don't you do a partnership with Ateneo
Yun
de
po yung
Davao?
we're trying our best.
Oh yeah, we'll
magkaroon.
connect you. Hi, Father
Father
Karel,
Karel.
President of Ateneo de Davao. Di totoo.
Father
They
Karel,
will agree
message
to
na
that.
natin,
Even
di ba?
the joint delivery, joint program,
Apo.
or your faculty enrolling there.
Opo. Nag-benchmark na
Ateneo,
nga po kami doon
Even
last
if it's
time.
an online
Apo.
program, graduate school na to, pwede yun.
Kasi yun po yung magpo-45 po doon sa program kung may robotics engineering na po kami.
Yeah.
Kasi masusustain po
Parang
eh.
dami mo pa palang gagawin.
Oo nga.
Opo,
eh. And I hope this all happens because of our
Sana nga
episode.
po.
Because
Thank you
our
po.
usapan kasi lahat.
Thank you
Dito
po.
lahat lumabas eh.
Dinamay lahat, Father Ma, Father Karel, o lahat ng tao, tinawag na
Sure,
Dr.
Shirley.
James Tan, hello.
Ang
Interesting.
galing.
I'm very, I'm very happy with, how you turned around the institution and
Thank you
used
po.
robotics as that, as the impetus, that allowed you to turn the school around.
Galing.
So gagawa ka na yun ng libro. The robotics, Journey. Of Dr. Young's
Pwede po,
College
pwede po.
Inc.
Opo, pwede
From
naman po.
How
school of
robotics
last
changed,
resort to the
our
school of
community
choice.
and the school. Di ba?
Diba?
Thank you po.
Okay.
Sige. Ano
na,
pa?
Sumisenyas si kanina pa eh.
Senyas ba? Parang
Lisensya
hindi,
ganun,
parang hindi
oo.
kasi strict ni
Lisensya.
Lottie yan. Hindi siya strict.
Hindi, sa kanya isa lang. Isang beses lang ako mag-bala kayo.
Sige. So we will ask Dr. Si Kel to give us some more final words to everyone who I am sure were inspired
Yeah,
by what you
inspired.
shared.
Robotics is more than science. It's about giving hope, giving a chance to students to pursue their innovative skills and creativity. It's giving them a chance to try things that they have not tried. It's more than just a part of the curriculum. It's about changing the society. So if we really want to make an impact as a school, let's try robotics.
That's very nice.
Ambassador
Very
ng
nice.
robotics ito.
Sorry po. Sorry po.
Okay. Very nice. So,
Okay, very well said.
okay. So, thank you, Kel. And
Thank you po.
I hope this is not the last time.
Yes,
Oo.
yes,
po.
yes. And balitaan
Oo.
mo kami kung ano
Yes po.
magiging result nitong competition
Yes
sa
po.
Macau.
Apo. Next week po.
Oo, at kung ano pang gagawin mo, gagawa ka ba ng libro? Magiging-partner ka ba sa Ateneo de Davao?
Sana nga po.
Oo. All of those initiatives.
And of course, we can help you with the other things that you need to
Yes po.
within our circles
Thank
in
you,
the
sir.
sector
Ako gusto
to
ko yung
help
help
you.
nila sa
Oo.
LGU. Gusto ko yung sa Bukawi. No?
Salamat
Then
po.
eventually all of Bulacan yan.
Okay. Oh, ano pa? Ikaw, okay ka na.
Oo, okay na tayo for this episode. So we hope to see them all next week, no? Kasi ang mga schools natin, ang lahat ng nanonood sa atin, medyo namang problema kasi paiba-iba daw tayo ng schedule. Oo. So,
So,
on
strictly
Monday,
Monday,
babalik na
oo.
tayo sa Monday, 7.
Monday and Thursday. Ano
5
tayo?
p.m. yata tayo sa Monday. May mapagalitan na naman tayo.
Meron
Pero
din
at least
nagreklamo,
Monday-
bakit 5 p.m. Di pa kami nakauwi?
Oo,
sabi nung...
oo.
sabi nung minsan, sabi ko, Monday pero ganitong oras. Di pa kami nakauwi eh, sabi niya. So,
So, hindi sila pwedeng manood ng replay. Ayaw nila ng replay.
ayaw nila. Ayaw
Gusto nila
ano,
live.
oo.
Oo. Pero sa Monday, ang guest natin, excited din ako dyan, ang mga officials ng Student Council Alliance of the Philippines. We want to talk about student leadership. No?
Will they
Kasi
be
I'm
here
also,
with
yeah.
us also? They'll join us,
We'll go online with them. But sa akin kasi very, very strong talaga yung importance ng student leadership. Because dyan nag-umpisa eh. Tingnan mo ngayon yung mga aktivista, not advocates. Ang marami dyan, no? Nanggaling sa mga student councils,
Organization.
no? Na talagang and campus publications. No? So, very, this is interesting discussion we will have on Monday.
Oo. And of course, bago tayo mag-end, of course, we are inviting all of you to subscribe to Usapang Ed. And you can also watch us on YouTube and Spotify. Ano pa? Netflix ba? Wala pa. Netflix?
Disney Channel.
Disney Channel.
Disney Channel.
Okay, so subscribe na po kayo. No? And of course, you can watch us on demand. No?
Yeah, but on Friday, tomorrow, nandyan po ako. I'll be visiting Lasal Lipa and NU Lipa ito yung mga nagpa-pilot ng ating grade 11. So we'd like to see how the pilot is happening, no? For grade 11 of the strengthened senior high school. Ikaw, nasan ka bukas?
Teka, hindi
August
ko-
8. Okay, bukas. Nasan ka bukas?
Meron yan.
August 8.
August 8 nga. August 8, hindi hindi ibang August.
EA. Ano ba yun? Asan ba yung EA nito? Baka mas makasagot ang EA.
Teka, naguguluhan na ako sa schedule ko. Teka, August 8. Nasa ako? Lasal. De La Salle University, Laguna Campus.
Tamo. Ako nasa
Lasallian
Lipa.
teachers.
Ikaw nasa Laguna.
Yan. So,
Okay.
see you there. Tapos, August 13, sa Region 3. Anyway, yun muna ang 8.
Ako, August 11, nasa Legazpi ako, Region 5
Natataranta ako.
schools.
Oo.
Kaya doon ako mag-online, no, for our Usapang Ed.
Yan, nandiyan ako sa area ng ninyo, sa the Manila Times College, Subic. So, pero ano pa yan, August 27 pa. Siya, tama na. Tayo, overtime na daw tayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat at nakasama na naman namin kayo sa isang Usapang Ed episode. And today is Usapang...
August 7, Usapang
Robotics. Okay.
Plus.
Plus.
Ang haba ng social responsibility, parang...
Nawala yung robotics eh. Okay.
Salamat sa inyo lahat and we're very happy to see all of you again and
Of
see
course,
you
with-
on Monday.
Teka, with
Oh,
Doc
ayan.
D.
And Attorney E.
Dito sa
Usapang
Ed. Yay!